Hi! Welcome to Baby and Toddlers quiz. Are you ready? Good. What color is the sun? Is this yellow or blue? Look at the sun. The sun is yellow. Well done. Say sun. Good job. Which animal says moo? Moo moo. A cow or a cat? Who says moo moo? A cow. Well done. A cow says moo moo. What do you wear on your feet? Shoes or hat? Let's guess. I know you know the answer. It's shoes. You put shoes on your feet. Well done. What do you drink from? A cup or a spoon? Do you drink from a cup or a spoon? A cup. Well done. You drink from a cup. What goes choo-choo? A train or a car? Who says choo-choo? Choo-choo. Do you know that? A train. Good job. A train says choo-choo. Well done. What color is a banana? Do you like bananas? Good, I love them. Is it yellow or red? A banana is yellow. Yellow banana. Yellow. Look at this bird and dog. Who can fly? A bird or a dog? Who flies? Let's guess. A bird. A bird flies. Fly, fly, bird. Fly, fly. Look, this is a spoon and a fork. What you use to eat soup? Can you eat soup with a fork? A spoon. Good job. You eat soup with a spoon. Well done. Where do fish live? In water or on a tree? Is it funny, isn't it? I think the fish lives in water. Well done. The fish lives in water. What do you wear on your head? A hat or gloves? Do you wear a hat on your head or gloves? A hat. Good job. Look at this duck and cow. Who says quack quack? Quack quack, quack quack. Who says quack quack? Guess who? A duck. Well done. You know a duck says quack quack, quack quack quack. Look, this is a ball and a box. Which one is round? Is the ball round or a box? Ball. A ball is round. Hi, ball. Look at this bed and chair. Where do you sleep? On a chair or in a bed? Please guess. Bed. Good job. You sleep in a bed. What color is grass? Look at this grass. What color is this? Green or orange? The grass is green. Green. Say green. Look, this is moon and sun. What do you see at night? I think you see sun in the morning. Well done. You see moon at night. Good job. We see moon at night. Which one is cold? Ice cream or fire? Fire is so hot. Just stay away from the fire, please. Ice cream. Ice cream is cold. Yum, yum, yum. Do you like ice cream? What do you use to draw? Crayons or book? I read a book and I draw with crayons. Yeah, crayons. Good job. Now this is a funny question. Which one is a fruit? An apple or car? Is car a fruit? No. The answer is apple. Apple is a fruit. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, apple. What animal has a long trunk? An elephant or a lion? Can you see a trunk? This is good job. Elephant. Elephants have big trunk. Say bye-bye, elephant. What do you bounce? A ball or a spoon? Which thing bounces? Think, think, think. A ball. A ball does bounce. Bouncy, bouncy ball. Good job. Keep smiling and stay happy. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.